Start a new topic known as refraction on the basis of wave theory. Refraction on the basis of wave theory. Here we take a two medium, for example, air and glass. A incident wave front is incident on it AL. This is the normal. Here the light moves from rare medium to denser medium. So this is the normal, it bends towards the normal. And this becomes the reflected wavefront. Reflected wavefront. This is the incident ray PA P dash. This is the incident ray. So there is a two ray PA and QL on the wavefront AL. Initially, the point P strike at A and point Q takes more time to strike the B. It covers the distance LB more. This is the angle I. This is the angle R. This is another ray we assumed coming in the medium, in the middle of the wavefront, because wavefront contain a number of wavelet or number of ray. This point is O, this K, this point is O dash. This angle became I and this angle became R. This angle became R. We assume the velocity of light in air is c and velocity in glass is v. Velocity in air is c and velocity in glass is v. In triangle O, AK sin I is equal to OK upon AK, equation number 1. In triangle O dash BK sin R is equal to O dash K upon BK. This is the equation number 2. Now here we use a Snell's law. Here we use an Snell's law. Or we assume the time taken by the ray to reach at O dash in the same time the position of the wavefront AL changes to L dash V dash is t. So the time t is equal to time taken by the ray to travel between O and K and then K to O dash. This is the equation number 3. Now we put the value of time in OK, distance OK, velocity of light c, and distance OK dash in the glass, velocity of light is v. By diagram, by equation 1 and 2 and 3, t is equal to, we put the value is AK sin I upon C. This is KB sin R upon V. By diagram, KB is equal to AB minus AK. Put this value in equation and we got, after putting this value in equation we got T is equal to AK sin I upon C. Here AB minus AK sin R upon V. Taking AK upon C common, sin I upon C minus sin R upon V plus AB sin R upon V. The changing in the position of the wavefront is independent from the point K, so we take this term equal to 0, AK sin I upon C minus sin R upon V equal to 0. But AK does not equal to 0, hence sin I upon C minus sin R upon V is equal to 0. So sin I upon C is equal to sin R upon V, or sin I upon sin R is equal to C upon V, which is equal to a constant known as refractive index. So this is the Snell's law. In reflection, according to the Snell's law, the ratio of the sine of the incident angle and ratio of the sine of refracted angle is equal to a constant known as constant of refraction, basically known as refractive index of a medium.